Naimbag nga malam kinyayo. Good afternoon, everyone. Another Learn Ilocano WOTD, and let's do it here in the garden. It's something that is growing here. So let's say pakalana vine or tonken jasmine in Ilocano. It's right here. Let's say tonken jasmine. Sabiddukong. 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 Sabiddukong flowers in clusters. If you can guys see that, there's one here and here. That's about it. That's all for our Ilocano WOTD. Sabiddukong. That's the only name I know in Ilocano, but for other Filipinos out there or Ilocano speakers, nuadda amuyo nga sa balinganagan, nuadda amuyo nga sa balinganagan, i-comment nyo laeng sabiddukong laeng ti amok. Sabiddukong laeng ti amok. So, that's all guys. Until next time.